Watch the first video and the second video and tell me what the difference is. First, second. The average person would say that the guy solved the Rubik's Cube faster in the second video, and that's correct. But the person who knows how to solve Rubik's Cube will say that the guy paused more in the first video. It is those people who know how to solve Rubik's Cube quickly that know how important it is to have a good look ahead.
Whoa.
It's that look ahead that helps you solve Rubik's Cube fast. You can use it to see your future actions. But there's a guy who has such an incredible look ahead that he can see ahead several stages at once. To do that, he just looks at the cube.
记住啊，往头头。
2.5，有点难四组啊。
Stages: cross, first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. 5 stages he can do just by looking at the cube and realizing his future actions. None of the former world record holders have been able to make such progress. In his interview, Yihan Wang answered how many pairs he can see during an inspection.
So right now, how far can you see during inspection?
Right now, I would say that in the best cases, I can see 4 FTL pairs.
4 pairs?
Yeah.
But there's a video of him solving the entire cube with one look. In that interview, he said he only solves from the yellow and white colors.
Do you only solve from yellow or white?
Boss.
But now Yihan has developed his own method called CN, which means in it he uses any colors and calculates the whole first layers. But he didn't stop there, and a month ago he started to study ZBLL, which removes the last step of cube solving. When you put it all together, we have a future Rubik's Cube World Champion.